Happy Thanksgiving. We are buttering our turkey. It's going to be an herb brine roasted turkey, which is basically just soaking the turkey in salted water. Overnight we brine the turkey. We put butter all over the bird and inside the bird. Then we stuff the turkey with herbs and some citrus or orange. It all makes the bird have a nice flavor. We're about to put the turkey in the oven.
Voila!
We're gonna show you our stuffing to make.
Add our celery and onion. I'm just gonna let this saute for a little bit, and then we will add Jones breakfast sausage, which in my opinion is the key ingredient to the stuffing. Gives it such a good flavor, and for no other reason, that's the way my mom used to do it. So here we go. We're gonna just let this saute a little more, and I'm gonna add my sausage. And the reason I have two is because I'm doing 2 bags. If I did 1 bag, it's 1 sausage. So I break it up a little bit just so that it's like even sized chunks and I get even cooking. Mix it all up so all the flavors get mixed together. Nice little handful of parsley. I'm going to just pour in the stuffing mix. And you got to be really careful here because this is where it can get a bit messy. So I just kind of try and slowly, there's no race. What I'm going to do is get my broth in there. But first I want to give it a little shake because sometimes things settle at the bottom. Get a nice mix on it. And then I'm just going to pour it around. And everything's going to just kind of shrink a little bit because the water soaks it, or the broth rather. So now I just scoop it in. Everything's hot, so I got to be careful. Just somewhat burn my finger. So there you have it. Now before I put it in the oven, I'll put little pats of butter on it, on top. This way it crisps up the top and it just makes it nice and crunchy on top, soft in the middle.
It's done. It weighs a lot. Looking good.